Jackson's playing the piano. And he's really trying hard to grab that elephant. Look at that face. It's September 6th. Jackson is 3 months old. He's a chunky monk. He went to the doctor about a week and a half ago and he was 12.5 pounds. He's very active. He likes his playmat. Make some music, buddy. Make some music with those chunky legs. Look at those chunky legs. Uh-oh. What's the matter? Is that elephant not talking to you? Hi, buddy. Can you talk to mommy? Can you talk to mommy? See you so big. So big. Oh, you're grabbing the elephant. His arms are going. I think he's going to fly away. Either that or he's trying to punch mommy. Are you trying to punch mommy? Huh? Ooh, you hit the frog. Who's my big boy? So big. So big. So big. Oh, I found my mouse, Mama. I'm blowing bubbles. What is that? Is that an elephant? Is that an elephant? Ooh, there's some talking. Look at you go. Run, 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 just like Sissy. Running and running and running. I see Jackson. I see Jackson. Towards my boy. Who's so big. 1, 2, 3. So big. Oh, you don't like that. You don't want to play that game. Oh, I'm sorry. How about this one? So big. So big. Oh, so unhappy. I'm sorry. Oh, Grace. Oh, dear. Are we tired? Are we getting tired? Oh, yeah. Give me that to suck on. Now I'm good. Now I'm good. And I'm going to kick and kick and kick some more. Kick and kick and kick. Oh, you got yourself away from your piano. Or was that Mommy? Did we scoot you too far away from your piano now? Oh. There you go. Oh, yes, run and run and run. How does this work? Maybe if I run fast, then I can make more music. Yeah, run. Yeah, that's right. That's right. Kick and kick and kick. Hi, Jack. Say bye, everybody. Say bye-bye, Jack.
Bye, Jack. Bye.